Hi everyone. So in our previous session, we have configured the VLAN over the port to interface. Now I have seen a problem that many students told me that sir, we can't able to delete this VLAN database from the FortiGate Firewall interface. Okay. So let me show you how you can delete this VLAN interface from the FortiGate Firewall. So as I have configured the VLAN over port 2. Okay, so when I will click this plus button, you can able to see the VLAN interface. Okay, so we created two VLAN, HR VLAN, and since this is VLAN 3. What is the problem here? If I will right click over this VLAN interface, let me right click over here, you can see that the delete option is hidden or unsupported. I can't able to click this delete option. Okay. Now, how I can able to delete these VLAN database? Okay. Actually, the question is that why I can't able to delete these. The problem is that the VLAN database is already associated with two different services, right? Here you can see that VLAN 2 is associated with the two services and VLAN 3 also associated with the two services. So first of all, we have to remove the VLAN from these services. After that, I can able to delete this VLAN database. Okay. So when I will click over this two, here you can see that the VLAN is associated with one firewall policy and it is also associated with the IP address. So I have to delete both of these. Okay. So if I will right click over here, I can directly able to delete the firewall policy. Okay. Here I have deleted this and I can delete the VLAN database that is associated with the IP address also. Okay. So here you can see that now the VLAN has zero services associated, right? If the services associated with the VLAN is zero, I can able to delete the VLAN database. Now you can able to see the delete option for the VLAN. Okay. And in the same way, this VLAN 3 is still associated with the two services. I can't able to delete that. Okay. So I have to remove these two services also. Okay, I can directly do from here. Okay, right click over here and click over it. Dear all, it may be possible that your firewall policy can be used in other services also. So please, before deleting, you can check the policy status from here. Okay, do not directly delete that. Please go through that policy. If that is necessary, delete that. You can change the policy from VLAN 2 to VLAN 3 or other VLAN. Okay. If necessary. Okay, let's go back to our interface for the VLAN 3. Let me delete the IP address associated with the VLAN 3. I can directly remove from the interface. Okay, now there are two different VLANs which have zero associated services. Let me right click over here, click over delete, so it can be deleted easily. Dear all, well, this option is only available in FortiGate Firewall. Which option? We can create the VLAN interface. Okay, but in case of Palo Alto, that is configured by the zones. Okay. So that is why in our next class we will configure the VLAN using zones. Okay. So that is all about the VLAN database. Have a nice day. If you have any confusion, you can ask me.